We're very excited about our latest customer review. We love receiving 5-star reviews from our valued clients, and we'd love to share it with you. Here's our latest online review. As a team, we work hard to provide the best service and always strive to exceed our customers' expectations. This is our #1 priority, and our goal is to deliver this top-quality customer experience consistently. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work that we do for them, and we want you to know that we'll work hard for you too. Please feel free to call us at the number on your screen and visit our website for more information. We look forward to talking with you soon.